You don't need to go to business center before you can have your complimentary card, your QR code. You will generate it and put it on your complimentary card. Either you are a content creator, a business owner, you need a complimentary card. So follow me from beginning to the end and see how you can generate this yourself step by step without anybody's help. Subscribe to my channel, follow me, like, and please help share for others. Let them also benefit. So follow me and let's go to class.
Now I've already created a prompt for you to be easy, so that you just copy and paste. So now all information needed is here that I've already created for you. All you need to do is just to change the information to your own, not mine, because this information is mine. So now what you need to do now is copy this link. This is your QR code. Copy it, and I just want to show you how you go about it. Paste it on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate your barcode for you. I'm typing it. Generate the barcode. Now you wait for it and let it generate. Voila. So it has generated. So all you need, download it here. Just click it and download it. So as soon as you download it, it will go straight to your gallery. So let's go to the gallery and check it there. So this is it. Now the second thing you need to do is that go back to where the prompt is. I will place this prompt inside my comment section, so I just copy it and change it to your own. So now let's head to ChatGPT again and paste this prompt. After you must have changed it, and ask ChatGPT, wait for ChatGPT, let it create it. So it's creating now. Voila, it's ready. So all you need to do is just download it, and you can print it. You can as well send it to somebody. You can see this is my information. You can also use yours in your own way. This is mine. So if you want your own to be different from mine, just tell ChatGPT and you'll get it done. So if you find this helpful, share for others, let them also benefit. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.